guys! Nagbabalik na naman yung vlogger's friend Kitrolian for today's video. Ang gulo ng buhok ko. Charot. For today's video guys, today is August 31, 2025 guys. And tomorrow, Burmans na. Ang dami, hindi ko alam kung saan yung pwesto ko. So, dahil bukas na ang Burmans, alam niyo na, pag mga Filipino, Jose Marichan, it's waving. Hi, hello. Hi, sir. So, ayun, dahil Jose Marichan is waving, tingnan natin ang ating Christmas tree. Ayan, yung mga nabili natin last year, guys. Ang asawa ko, itinakwil ko na siya sa kwarto kasi maingay siya mag-laptop. Charot. Ayan, naglalaro. Tingnan natin ang ating Christmas tree. Christmas tree natin na binili last year, guys. Diba sinamaan niyo ko dun sa pagbili natin sa Sam's Club. So, naka-ready na siya. Nandito na yung mukha ni Jose Marichan. Ganyan, naka-wave na siya. Tapos, nandun yung ating mga Christmas balls. Pero this year, feeling ko magaan ako. Gold ang ating motif. Motif? Ganon. So, ayan. So, hindi ko masyado na-videohan kasi yung, what do you call this? Yung reunion namin. Family reunion. Ang gulo-gulo na buko, pasensya na. So, hindi ko na masyado na-videohan yung family reunion namin last 2 weeks. Last week kasi, tama, last 2 weeks. Nandito sila noong 22? Basta ganyan. So, ayan, mag-insert ako dito ng clips, guys, nung reunion namin. Ang nakakatuwa, happy naman kami. Nakakatuwa lang kasi pag first time namin na mag-reunion dito sa bahay namin, ganyan. And then, yung ano lang, nakakalungkot lang doon after ng reunion, kapag nagsialisa na sila, parang tahimik ulit ng bahay, ganyan. So, this year will be our first year here in our house, guys. And nakakatuwa lang kapag binabalikan ko yung mga videos ko. Dati, parang sabi ko, wish ko sana matutupad yung wish ko na hindi ko nasabi yun, pero yung wish ko talaga nun is makabili kami this year ng bahay. Which is yun. Wish granted naman tayo, mga friends. Ayun, nakabili na kami ng bahay. And then, this will be our first Christmas here nga na mag-celebrate kami. So, medyo excited. So, yun, plan ko talaga bukas is mag-put up na ng Christmas tree, guys. And since tomorrow is September 1, tama ba? Basta, tomorrow is holiday dito. Naka-ano guys dito, Labor Day. So, holiday, wala akong pasok, walang pasok yung mga bata. So, feeling ko mag-set up na ako ng Christmas tree. Kapag sinipag-sipag ako, sama ko kayo sa pag-set up, ganyan. And, bibili pa ako ng mga, what do you call this? Ng mga design siguro kasi wala akong masyadong gold. Pero next time na lang yun. I-set up ko lang yung tree. Kasi medyo, syempre pag may pasok, hindi mo na ma-set up ng isang araw yun, ganyan. So ayun, ito yung video namin ng reunion. Parang gulo na explanation ko. Pero ito yung video namin ng family reunion, guys.
Don't remember me?
Wala kayong plano. Ang sarap naman, bakasyon. Oo, isang linggo. Sabagay, tama-tama yun. Kung di pa kayo nakaayos, ayos-ayos sa mga bahay.
Guys, sinesing na niya ang kanyang tawag dyan, te. Broiler, whatever. Griller pala tawag dyan. So, ayan. For the first menu of the day. Charot. Pork chop with sauce. Pork chop. And magluluto na rin si daddy ng adobo, no? Ang tawag dyan? Sitaw. Pakbet. Yeah. Ayaw niya akong bahawakin, guys, dahil first time daw niya mag-grill.
There in the garage. The shoe. But Lucian, help Kuya Dorian find the another. They're looking for another racket. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Tapos plus AdSense.
Never just go like this. Let's practice.
Yes, I called it. I said bow and it fell. Yes. It's the light hand. So we went to New York, and on the weirdest thing, I turned to the side and I see the exact hotel we stayed in. Tampa Hotel. It was so nice. Oh my god.
I remember when my son was playing yoga, and he asked me, "Hey, where is this?" And it was like across the street from my house.
I'll run away from this. I'll manage to get away from this, but then I have to run away from this thing.
Bro, I'm missing a piece so right
What piece are you missing?
I'm missing one of those. You know that 3x3 connected from the the gray one.
Look, this will end up shooting.
Oh, these.
Yeah.
This will I'll have this come in and distract on that.
Okay. Wait, which one am I chasing? This or this?
So you originally start chasing this.
Peace be with this house and all who live here. When Christ took flesh and blessed Virgin Mary, he gave
Naku, yung mga shoes.
No, there's nobody admit.
Yeah.
Things like food. Food did the same thing.
Birthday! Happy birthday to you! Yay! Blow your cake, guys! 1, 2, 3. Yay! Happy birthday!
You just have to dip it on the fire, something like that.
Yeah,
Hold it over if you want it burning.
Yeah, yeah,
So then you place it, you place the marshmallow on here, and then you take a piece of chocolate, put it on here,
So mag-1 year na mo din.
this,
September 9
and then you're gonna put
Where the chocolate?
Kami katong
over it.
so lang.
Welcome to you.
Yeah, so that's it.
You guys enjoy.
Sabi niya, taga-damo.
Bye.
Next year again.